Is that what you think? No kidding. Well, if they said that, what else did they say? Nothing else? Huh? Oh, big stretchers. Big stretchers. Oh. Oh. Did you have a good day today? No? I didn't. Oh, what is that? What is that you're doing? How's that hand? Does that hand taste good? You don't know? You're getting so big. Who said you could get so big? Huh? You're getting so big so fast. Huh? You're making your gummies old. You're getting so big so fast. Who said that you could grow up so fast, huh? You're already 3 months old. Yeah? Do you remember when your birthday was? You remember your birthday? Yeah? I was there. Were you there? Are you telling a secret? Are you telling a secret to your friend? Are you telling a secret? Are you telling a secret? Do you have a secret that you want to tell me? Oh, oh, you're kicking me. Oh, you're so strong. Oh, you're kicking me dummies. Oh, my goodness. You're kicking my tummies and my god. Is that hand good? Oh, my goodness. Oh, oh, oh. Are you all done talking to me? You're just going to kick me in the belly now. You're going to kick Gammy's big fat belly. Does that hand taste good? Are you teething, little man? You're going to make yourself gag. Wanko. 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 Are you all done? I love you. Oh, even though you're kicking me in my tummy. I love you. Say bye-bye. I love you. I love you. I love your little bellies. Love you. Bye-bye. See you later. Bye-bye.